In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jotform account. Whether you're looking to cut down on digital clutter or simply moving on to a new platform, following these steps will guide you through the process clearly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to open the form in Jotform's powerful form builder. Once you're in, head over to jotform.com and log into your account using your login credentials. If you're not already logged in, this is an essential step, as you'll need full access to make changes to your account settings. Once you're logged in and redirected to the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see an avatar or profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to personalizing and managing your account preferences. A menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select the Settings tab. This choice brings you one step closer to deleting your account. Now let's focus on the Settings menu that appears. On the left side, you'll see various options displayed. Your target here is the Account section. By clicking on Account, you'll be directed to a page where all personal and sensitive information related to your Jotform account is managed. It's a place of no return, so choosing this path means you're committed to saying farewell to your account. Scrolling down through the account settings, keep an eye out for the Delete My Account option. It's crucial to know that this action is irreversible. Clicking it means you understand and accept that all forms, data, and submissions associated with your account will be permanently eliminated. You'll notice that selecting Delete My Account triggers a pop-up message. It acts as a final checkpoint, ensuring that you genuinely intend to part ways with your Jotform account. This critical confirmation step is designed to prevent accidental deletions. If you are sure about your decision, proceed by confirming the action on the pop-up window. Once you've confirmed, that's it. Your Jotform account, along with all its contents, will be gone for good. It's a simple yet important process that gives you control over your digital footprint. Remember, there's no way to recover the account or its data once the deletion is complete. So make sure to consider any important information you might need to save beforehand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Jotform account and data. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment below if you found this guide helpful. Until next time.